best journeys in life are those that answer questions you never thought to ask. At Discover Laos today, we present to you Vang Vieng, the adventure capital of Laos. Amazing gifts of nature awaits. Set your spirits of adventure free. What is it about traveling that attracts us? We thirst to wander, explore, and discover the unknown. What drives us to fly around the world to touch a wall, to find our likes or our dislikes? It's in our veins. It's our nature. It drives us further, pushes us higher to break new barriers, pushing us to the limit. And at the end, it shows us who we are, instantly setting us free. It's a craving that exists in all of us, leaving us with only one option. Pick a place, pack a bag, and go. Life is short. Discover Laos and rediscover yourself today.